GoPros are the best action cameras out there, but the same can be said for its smartphone application called GoPro Quik. And here's why. Right off the bat, when you open the app, it lands on this screen called Mural. And it's kind of hard to understand what it does and what its purpose is, especially for new users. Then the next screen in the main menu here at the bottom is Media. And this one gives you the impression that you're looking at the media on your GoPro, but that's not the case. As you can see here, there are 3 subscreens called App, Cloud, and Phone. And these are different locations where your media might be saved that you have downloaded from your camera. So yeah, this next screen is a little bit confusing too. And then the next screen is Studio. That again lands on this Suggestions tab in here, and it doesn't really do much. If you go to the next screen in here, that's called My Edits, that's the one that actually lets users use the studio where they can edit their videos. So yeah, again here, a little bit confusing, and without any videos, I believe, uploaded to your GoPro Cloud, this suggestion option does nothing. And then finally, there is the GoPro menu or screen that actually lets users control their camera and access the files. So that's why I really think that the GoPro app doesn't have the best user experience, especially for new users. And the main issue is with the order of this main menu here. I feel like the app is designed to sell these other features, whereas users most probably are gonna go to use their GoPro app to access the latest videos that they recorded using their GoPro camera. So yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know what your experience is like using the GoPro app Quik. Thanks for watching.